If you're ignoring this one thing, your bike could easily get stolen. And it's the Diebstahl Warnanlage. And this is the DWA light that appears on your dashboard. And if you're seeing it, then look out, because it's your anti-theft system and it's telling you it's completely inactive, making it completely useless to protecting your bike. But the good news is it's as easy to fix as a flashlight. So don't waste money taking it to a dealer or into a shop to get fixed, because you can actually fix it all by yourself in just a few moments. And I'm going to show you right now how to do it. Found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a like down below, and if you'd like to see more on the R9T and future videos, then feel free to subscribe. But if you can't wait until then you might be interested in this video right here.